Watch this. My phone stuck to the side of the fridge, just hanging there, playing a recipe video with one small accessory on the back. This is the Aulumu G09, and it's a magnetic phone stand. But what makes it different is that it has a magnet that works on both sides. The phone clips onto one face, the other face sticks to anything metal, so the whole stack, phone and stand together, just attaches to whatever surface you point it at, and it moves on 3 axes independently. X, Y, and Z all rotate on their own, so you can put the phone at literally any angle without loosening anything, without adjusting clamps, without any thumb screws. You just twist it and it stays exactly where you leave it. The first place I tried it was the fridge door. You simply press the back of the steel and it holds. The phone does not shift or slide, and the recipe video is at an eye level while you're cooking. Watch this. My phone stuck to the side of the fridge, playing a recipe video, and there's only one small accessory on the back. Outside, metal pole can become a tripod. Metal post, signpost, and fence rails, just press it on, start recording, and walk away. Of any metal surface, it becomes a finger grip. There are 2 silicone rings in the box and one of them glows in the dark, which sounds like a detail that doesn't matter until it's 2 AM and you're reaching for your phone on the nightstand without wanting to turn the lights on. It matters. Aulumu G09 sticks your phone to anything metal. Glowing in the box, wireless charging, 3-axis rotation, everything under $50. Link is in the description.